Pinipin Donbosco High School Hamren along akang tuang deng mate ingdeng crazy papa thusi Donbosco Higher Secondary School Reverend Father Sabu Francis the Provincial of Guwahati Province Arideng pen ripon ingtipongsi ingpupon tanglo. Azirding krui pen rat akar I akang tuang deng bangso high school along paduponang jipua kimanga tengsi pinning pen HS first year mate ingdeng crazy an pangcheng ponglopusi tinidang. Arts stream pen pangcheng pongsi non ketching sianikan kadu kawe bang plikya paisian kachali osomaratum amen che thabdun tanglo pusi pachini. Kopi koswan pensi ladak avar sai kidu lapen kapang chengalam the principal Father Saji penajok pherang kya tumangno than pachini po.
Stream.
And how many faculty members will be?
Faculty members, there are 7 subjects, then 7 faculty members will be there, newly appointed.
How many students now for the first batch?
At the present, just now we have 41 students. Already the permission from SEBA and permission from Council, Autonomous Council, we have already received. The certificate also already we have. So now it has become a full-fledged school. Earlier it was Donbosco High School. Now it has become Donbosco Higher Secondary School at Hamren.
Bangso Donbosco Higher Secondary School kang puponajok ongdung Hamrenarat atum ale longdun poposi Hamrenarat inoter of tokabangpu Abraham Teron penajok pherang kyang no than patini.
La kelitum Hamren arat aphan mate Hamren rong supi Veskar benglong rong supi arat aphan elitum piniarni la kening karong nei arni lo athema elitum dak tebok tere api apu mate Hamren area atum jesemet ke elitum Kemisen School Higher Secondary Donbosco lo inpute putawar ka cholang elitum jirding piglo laso akemang pa elitum nam amang ka himan la pa elitum ning ke the arni piniarni kenang pleng pichilo piniarni la ke elitum Hamren Donbosco High School abang pini ke elitum aphan Donbosco Higher Secondary School pini arni elitum aphan ingpu pilo lasi pini elitum aphan elitum chinghon Provincial Guwahati pen Father Sibu alang liwangsi ladak elitum aphan ingpu pitekang lo la ke elitum aphan la pen Hamren arat aphan hodai pitekang lo la pen non pini arni la pen non first batch la ke arts stream an phansi bi unchot la bang ke ladak bang prikebraisi an bak osomaratum dak chardi ponong po la penisia bangke ladak kangpu pon isia ke me abangke litum abangke lalo elitum asomar mesensen kapurhe atum du waiphat sita elitum apia po tum elitum kiduk det atum kelong awar sai kawe penajok elitum non difu kidun tong Guwahati tong angtan mate Hamren penang tan ke dam ye phan itu ki sung do athema ke dam ke wang ada elitum asomar phan ke do ke thak awar sai ki sung ka siksa do mate apia po tum ada chidu du nei hostel bidu nei ma paying guest ada ke ta hopuk itu akross hepik sita non la daga bangke elitum ab hem thang pen elitum hem thikub along ala elitum higher secondary mesen charlie pon pen alang elitum mesen kapurhe elitum longpon pola pen elitum theklo la pen elitum theklong le la theklong je non la dak pini la so a school along by higher secondary school along ke than pon je bang mesen atum asab amosor atum mate lecturer atum elitum han longpon lo la sili to marata phan elitum ningarong pen la so adi malong il to apia po tum ta tum mesen pen litum bor ipinona cherap dolona il to masomar tum han ke class so se ke pe the ke pe je pha la ke li to apia po tum il tum klempon nang po la sili to aprang la sili tum to war cholang pon lo
Aluhi sarpo mate pini bangso Hamren Donbosco Higher Secondary School kang puponalong Aluhi sarpo man pen Reverend Father Sabu Francis penajokta aninga klonglam the pherang kya tumangno chepaklang po.
Really happy to be here this morning, inaugurating and blessing the new building for the higher secondary. You know, it's a proud moment for every person here in Hamren because we have an institution that produces good result, that gives value education, and we are going ahead with education. I just want to congratulate every parent of this institution, past and present, who had been contributing amazingly for the growth of the school, and also every teacher if we have good product, the reason is that if the tree gives good fruit, the reason is that somebody is giving good manure. That is why the trees are producing good fruit. And that is what we see here in Donbosco. I just want to appreciate, congratulate and thank every teacher, every parent and every student who are really committed, dedicated and disciplined. And I wish everyone here all the best, that they may come out successfully and flying colors and reach all the dreams what they want to reach. May God bless all of them.